As a small creator, I understand how difficult it is to sustain this career. Therefore, you gotta do what you gotta do. Hello, namaskar. Welcome to a brand new series called Brand Collaboration 101, where I share everything I wish I had known before starting getting brand deals. Don't forget to watch the entire series by tapping here, or the link will be down in the description. And let's begin. So, till now we have discussed what is media kit, why do you need it, what are the things that you need to include in your media kit. Now we are going to discuss why do you need two media kits. Guess. One for YouTube, one for Instagram? No. Rather go ahead with a combined media kit and charge higher. Okay, so one for small businesses and one for big businesses? No, because your statistics are still gonna be the same. Don't worry, I've got you covered. So you need two media kits, the one that we just discussed in the previous episode, and the other one with your charges. What are you going to charge for one reel video, one statistic post? What are you going to charge for one story? What are you going to charge for a combined package of all three? What are you going to charge for integrated YouTube video? What are you going to charge for dedicated YouTube video, etc. Now you might be asking, can't I just have one media kit in which I include all of this? The answer is no, and I'll tell you why. Let's say a big brand is approaching you and you know they can afford you at your rate. Then just go ahead and share your rate card. On the other hand, if you see a small business approaching to you, which might not afford you at your rate, but you want to support small businesses, you like their product, then maybe go for without the rate card media kit. You understand the point? Now let's say you are approaching a brand, then it's wiser to send the media kit itself without the rate card, because the prices is something that you can negotiate later. Furthermore, the more audience you grow, your charges are going to go up higher. But you cannot sit with your laptop just to edit the media kit every day, every week, or every month, right? So even if your rates are going up and you are not prepared with your rate card, you still have your media kit without the rate card to show to the brands, and then negotiate your charges accordingly. So these are the 4 reasons why you need two media kits. Now how do you pitch brands? Tap here to know that.